Hi everyone, I'm Justin Weisz from IBM Research. Unfortunately, none of us were able to attend today's workshop, so we hope this video suffices. And I'll be presenting some exploratory work we did on creative brainstorming with large language models. So scholars often distinguish between two types or approaches to creativity, and these concepts refer to societal level innovations, which are things that are new to everyone. But by contrast, the concepts on the right here refer to personal or mundane creativity. What's innovative to me may be well known to you, but nonetheless, I need to create a solution to a problem that I was working on, and that solution is new to me. So in this sense, we're interested in the creativity that we all engage in, everyday creativity. And in our paper, we describe an informal experiment we did with a human and an AI working together on an everyday creativity task. So we draw on Glavinow's concept of distributed creativity, where creative work is shared amongst multiple human partners. And we also draw on the 5 C's model of Cantasalo and Takala, in which co-creative work is done by a collective of human and AI. So we surveyed human-to-human co-creativity methods, and we chose brainstorming as a task because it's something that's familiar in our workspace. In Osborne's early formulation, the major phases of brainstorming are divergent thinking to generate ideas, and then convergent thinking to summarize and categorize them. So our informal research question was, can an AI brainstorm with a human? And we used a conversational large language model, the Llama 2 model, to check this out. So here's an example of the divergent thinking part of a brainstorming session. At point A, the human poses the problem to be brainstormed, and at point B, the AI proposes some ideas. We note that the human is remaining in control here. So at point C, the human disagrees with part of the AI's proposal, and at point D, the AI offers alternatives to meet the human's request. Moving on, at point F, the human objects to part of the AI's proposal. At point G, the AI again offers some alternatives. At point H, the human has to persist in removing one of the AI's ideas from the list. And at point I, the AI finally complies. At point J, the human proposes a new idea. And at point K, the AI does a brief self-brainstorm in response to the human's idea. So later on in the session, the human turns to convergent thinking. So in this example, at point A, the human asks the AI to organize the idea into higher level concepts, and at point B, the AI provides those concepts. However, at point C, the human decides that one idea is not in the correct conceptual category, so the human asks the AI to move that idea to a different category. And at point D, the AI moves the concept as requested, resulting in a revised assignment of ideas to categories. So based on the concepts of Glavinow and Cantasalo and Takala, we explored brainstorming as a potential shared task done by both human and AI, and we showed that both parties do contribute to everyday co-creativity during these phases of brainstorming. So we propose that co-creativity takes place in this hybrid conversational space between the human and the AI. And our next experiments we have planned will involve multiple humans brainstorming with an AI, and also the use of a graphical canvas as a support infrastructure for the brainstorming task. Thank you.